Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is painted in the magma red color. You've got a remote entry keypad, blind spot mirrors, power mirror controls, nice leather armrest on the interior, cloth manual seating with a third row bench seat, electric parking brake, and lighting controls with dimming for the dash and exterior lighting. Go ahead and turn the key over twice. Got your halogen headlights there. Your display here, you've got digital speedometer and transmission temperatures, trip and fuel, towing, off-road status, and settings with pre-collision. Cruise controls on the left here, you got hands-free on the right. Your shifting column is back here. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Trailer backup assist. Sync 3 sound system with built-in Wi-Fi, satellite radio, Ford Pass Connect, and much more. Above that is traction control, your 4-way flashers, and an auto start stop function. 12-volt outlet over on this side here. You've got your bench seat, which acts as a center console. You've got a seat belt and center seat here. When it's not in use, fold it down. You've got 2 cup holders and a center console. We come towards the back. You've got a 4x4 sticker on the back here, a chrome rear bumper, an F-150 just built into the tailgate there. You've got rear view camera right above the Ford logo. This is your truck bed here. You do have the option to put a spray-in or a drop-in bed liner. Very roomy. Taking a look underneath of it, you've got a trailer hitch pre-installed here and a spare tire as well. Jumping into the back seat, you've got cloth seating in the rear. This does fold up for more storage. You've got cubbies on the back of the front seats. In the center console, you've got a 12-volt outlet, and you've got 2 cup holders for the floor. Grab handles on both sides of each doorway. A dome light up top and hooks on the roof to hang clothings, articles, or bags, anything you might need to hang up there. And if we come around to the front, you've got a chrome front bumper here with a chrome grille, tow hooks as well, halogen headlights and fog lights. All around a nice truck, so come on over to MacPhee Ford to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.